Let's see how you can easily build a simple automation to handle the comments on your Facebook page. For example, if a customer asks about some pricing or any information about the services you offer as a comment on your Facebook page, then you can actually use AI to respond to those comments on any post or reel as well. Let's see how to set this one easily. So here I'm in a demo icon and we have already connected the Facebook page over here. So if you're wondering how to connect a Facebook page or Messenger channel right here, you have to simply click on channels option over here and choose Facebook Messenger and simply choose your Facebook page and connect it. So if you go to the help center, we have the helpful guide and step-by-step guides on how to connect your Facebook page. Click on connect and you'll be prompted to choose a Facebook page and simply connect it on our platform. That's it. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on Facebook, and if you are planning to use AI, then you can actually connect any of these AI models. So you can use OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XA or DeepSeek. So you will need to simply connect the API keys from those platforms. So here if you click on learn more, again we have the simple guides on how to grab the API keys using your ChatGPT account. So if you click on this link, it will provide this particular window over there once you're logged in over there, and create a new secret key and connect it on our platform. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of AI automations for the messages and also the comments as well. So let's see how to use AI comments on your Facebook page. So here if I go to the AI hub, we have already created some AI agents over here. So let's imagine we want to build the AI comment automation for this specific business, which is called as pest control business. But you can actually create any sort of business prompt or information like this. So here we have all the information about this specific company right here, including the services, pricing and other frequently asked questions as well. So if you're wondering how to create this sort of information, you can actually use this particular prompt generator tool right here. Simply enter your website address and extract any content you like, and also create any prompts as you like as well. So once it is done, you can actually paste that information or create a new agent right here and use that AI agent to respond to the comments on the Facebook as well. So here we have the prompt as well, saying you are a customer support assistant to this particular company, keep your responses 1 to 2 sentences, and here we have all the information about that specific company. So if you're wondering how to use this information to respond to the comments on Facebook, you can actually use this particular free template over here. Go to flows, all free templates, comments automation, and here we have this particular free template which is called as AI comment replies for Facebook and IG. So let me make a duplicate of this particular free template over here. Alright, it has been duplicated, and let me rename this one as Bug Shield Pro Pest Control, and let me copy this name over here, and let me rename this one as this one, and let me say FB comments. So this one is gonna handle the Facebook comments over here, but this simply work for the Instagram comments as well. So here let me open this particular template over here, and here you have instructions on how to use this template as well. So here if I click on open AI action, it says generate text, but in the AI hub we have already created an AI agent over here. So let's go with the AI agent. So choose generate text agents, and you can actually keep other settings as it is. So here last FB comment is tracked via last FB comment variable over here, and the generated AI comment reply will be saved in a comment as well. So you can actually keep these settings as it is, and just change this one to generate text agents and choose the specific agent, which is this one. And as you can see here, last FB comment is here, a comment is here. Alright, and click continue. That's it, and publish it. So now we have updated this particular flow to handle the Facebook comments. So let's create the Facebook comments automation itself right here. Go to marketing tools and choose Facebook comments automation, and here create a new one, and let me say AI comments this particular company. Alright, and here this can simply work on all posts, such as any past post, reels and future ones as well. So let's go with all post option. Otherwise you can choose specific post, which is not useful in this case because we want to automate the comment replies on all the existing posts and also the future ones as well. and private reply. So here, when you set up a Facebook comments automation, you have the option to send them specific messages as well. So this will be sent as a private DM or message to them. So if you don't want to send them any messages for the comments, you can choose none, and here public reply to comment. So let's say if they comment about asking about some sort of pricing, and if you want to add a public comment reply, then you have to choose this option over here and choose the flow which we just created, Bug Shield Pro Pest Control Facebook comments. Here you can also choose all comments as well, so it will simply respond to any comments. So if they say thank you, it will respond. If they ask some question, it will respond. So it will simply respond to any comments they put right there based on the AI agent we have set up right here. Alright, and here you have more options as well. You can also delay these comments as well. So if you want to delay like randomly within 3 minutes or set up specific hours, you can do that as well. But let me choose immediately and click save over here. Alright, and make sure this active as well. Alright, so here in this account we have connected the demo chatting media account over here. So here, and this is the business prompt information we have as well. So now let's test how this actually works. So this is the Facebook page connected over there, and here this can simply work on any reels or post as well. So here let me add a comment over here asking about what services do you provide. So here let me add this comment, what services do you provide, and see how this actually works. We receive the response. It says we offer one-time services, general pest. These are the services plus recurring plans. These are the plans available. Add-ons include Scorpion, black light inspections. These are the things. So it simply provide all the details about the services they provide. So likewise, you can actually ask any other questions as well. It will simply respond as well. For example, let me ask about the opening hours as well. So here this is the opening hours mentioned right here. So let me go to the Facebook page, and this time let me open a different post over here, and let me add the comment. Can you tell me about the opening hours and what is the address? So here I asked two questions about the opening hours and also the address as well. So let's see if we actually receive a response over here. So let me refresh the page. So here we received the response. It says our office at this particular address, and we are open Monday to Saturday 7 to 7 p.m. and Sunday 9 to 5 p.m. So if you go to this specific business information prompt, you see Monday to Saturday 7 to 7 and Sunday this one. So if you update this information likewise, so here if you change something right here, it will get updated immediately as well. So here let me say Sunday is closed. Alright, so I'm actually updating the information in this AI agent and save it. So now, so here let me ask the same question right here and see what happens. So here we have actually updated the opening hours saying Sunday closed. So we should receive the updated response as well. Receive the updated response. So now it says office address is this one. We are open on Monday to Saturday right here, and it says closed on Sundays as well. Simple as that. So you can actually manage all those information about the AI agent right here and provide any sort of discounts, and you can actually update the latest information right here as well. So it will get updated to the AI immediately. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build AI comment replies for your Facebook page. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.